They was expensive. The receipt.
That's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Yeah.
Hey guys, so I just came back from ULTA and I want to show you guys the goods that I picked up. And I don't like going to ULTA because every time I go into ULTA I go in with a budget. And I always go on a budget of $100. You don't need nothing over $100. Set that $100 to the side. Spend $100. Add $200 more. Why? Oh, don't mind my little broken nail. I'm about to take all these off because I'm sick out. So we have the goods here. So let's just get into it. The receipt. Y'all, why do I got Starbucks napkins in here? Honey, I was hungry. The first thing I picked up was this cute little headband, the 𝚘𝚗𝚗𝚗𝚘 makeup headband. And I know when I start my makeup tutorials, because I know y'all interested in seeing that, I'm gonna need something to keep the hair out of my face while I do my makeup. So I thought this was cute. I wanted a black one, but I couldn't find a black one, so this one will do. You can watch these headbands as well. If I can find the items, if you guys are interested, I will leave them down below for you guys. So the next thing I got was the Kiss new Impress Press-On Falsies. I'm like, Press-On Falsies? And it's crazy because as soon as I got home with these, I seen Aaliyah J promo these. So I was like, honey, I'm right on time. They was expensive. I remember these was like $14, $15, $16. I was like, girl. But I ended up picking up 3 of them because when it comes down to my eye shape, I'm very particular on how I like my eyes to look with lashes. So yeah, that's why I got 3. So I went ahead and got the Style Natural, the Style Glamorous, and the Style Spiky. So that's on that. Next, we do have the Laura Mercier. This is a translucent setting powder, and this is my baby. I'm completely obsessed with this. I gotta have this in my collection, y'all. It really sets underneath the eye very, very, very well. And y'all, I don't know, it's just seamless. It's no flashback, and I'm just obsessed with it completely. Now, I have been using the One Size translucent setting powder. I think this is by Patrick Starrr. Why am I thinking of SpongeBob? But this one's good too. I feel like they go neck and neck. What else did I get out of here? Oh, I had to go and get some more foundation and concealer. Well, yeah, my favorite high-end foundation is the Too Faced Born This Way oil-free, oil-controlling, waterproof, transfer-resistant foundation. I need all of this in one simply because it's spring and it's about to be hot outside. Y'all know me. I'm a winter baby and I cannot stand the heat. I always get the Born This Way matte. I don't use the original version because I have oily skin. When I tell you my skin is oily, that joker is oily. Okay, the summertime, I need me something matte. I feel like I gotta pull out my liquid magnesia again because I'll be out here melting. I'm melting! Oh! Like my skin, my oils go crazy as soon as the heat come out. Like anybody has time for that. So matte all day, every day. That's the only thing I get. So I did go ahead and pick up the shade Chai. I'm more so Chai in the summer, and then for the winter time, I'm pretty much chestnut, pretty much mixing both. And then I did get some concealer, and this is just in the shade Mocha. But I just love this creamy consistency. I love how it just gives me that coverage that I'm looking for because I ain't gonna lie. So I got dark circles. And sis, I need to be looking together. This is how the foundation looks. Looks like that. It comes with a pump as well. So yeah, I love this foundation, y'all. If y'all haven't tried it, sis, I don't know what you're waiting for. You better go get it because it's fire. So that's on that. I had to go and grab my jumbo size of Morphe setting spray. This is my favorite setting spray. I was so mad they did not have the white version, and normally I use the white version. Well, got it in here? No. Normally I use the white version because it's matte, but we just gonna use this. I also use any type of matte. It's for me in the spring and the summer. It's me. But this, I think it was on sale because normally it was $39 for this jumbo thing. This better work because Morphe, I got a bone to pick with y'all. Why y'all cans don't be working? Like the nozzle, when you be spraying it, it be getting stuck. This one work, but I be buying brand new bottles and they don't be working. And I be trying to find hacks on TikTok to make the pump work. So I be having like bottles upon bottles and they don't be working. I don't like that. So I did pick up Neutrogena's Hydro Gel Cleanser. I love this stuff just so I can wash off my face, my makeup. I also got I got this whole line. This whole line I'm obsessed with. I have the whole line. I also have the moisturizer. I just put that back in here. I have the moisturizer as well, y'all. This has been my baby in the winter months. It's been moisturizing my skin. I love the consistency of it. I love this. And it's water. It's a water-based moisturizer, and I've never ever tried that before. When I tried it, I fell in love. Now I don't know how it's gonna react to me during the summer. Because I bought this during the winter time, so we finna see. Okay, so I went and grabbed it. I got the makeup melting cleanser as well. This is just in a jelly formula, and then I also got the cleansing balm, and it's just a balm. So basically these two are the same products, it's just two different consistencies, if that makes sense. So I got that whole line, but I wanted to have the cleanser as well, because I really don't have like a set facial cleanser. I only have, I can't think of the name of the one I use on a normal basis. I can't think of it. So oh, and I also, why did I get this? Anyway, I did also pick up the Hydro Boost exfoliator cleanser as well. So it says it gently exfoliates while boosting hydration for instantly soft, refreshed skin. Last but not least, I got this curling wand. This deep wave curler. This is called Fair Wave by Bedhead, and I have a crimper. Y'all should see how many hot tools I got. I don't need to be buying more, to be honest. I got like 3-4 totes full of things I collect, and I'm just obsessed with collecting hot tools. Don't know why, but I'm so excited to try this out. This only go up to 410 degrees though, so I should have actually read the back of this, and I would have left that right there, because it said, because I know you like it hot. Baby, this ain't even hot. Where the 450? 500 me, please. Okay. I love this soap. This is the Dr. Bronner. This is a multi-purpose soap. You can take a bath with it. You can clean your dishes with it. It's a multi-purpose soap. It smells good, but I've been personally using it on my skin. With this stuff though, it will dry you out, so you will have to heavily moisturize. So if you already have dry skin, probably wouldn't recommend it, because maybe your skin gonna be dry, and like it really gets it clean. And I just love this stuff. I forgot who I seen use this actually in their like shower care routine, and I put it in mine, and baby, chef kiss. So I always use this soap and then follow it up with a moisturizing soap and moisturizing balm. Oh, let me get this, y'all. I finally found this. Everybody has been raving about this e.l.f. Shea Moisture body lotion. This is in vanilla cashmere, and baby, when I tell you this smells so good, baby, this smells so good, and it doesn't lie, because most lotions don't really serve its purpose. It really be saying it's moisturizing and don't be moisturizing. Ever since I picked this up, baby, it has my skin looking glowy, looking silky, looking moisturized. This is the ish. I kid you not. This is just my little Walmart bag. I probably can't even see it. I also picked up an eyebrow pencil. I always use the ColorStay Brow Creator. This is a micro tip pencil. This is in the shade dark brown. This is my go-to when it comes down to do my brows, especially, you know, if I run out of Morphe, because Morphe be always lacking on their pencils. So when they ain't in stock, I always have to go to Walmart and get one, and this is the one I get. And then I picked up this Big Mood Mega Volume Lifting Mascara from Walmart as well. So yeah, I'm excited to try it and see if my eye. Oh, it says it's got hourglass brush. Let me see what he's talking about. I was laughing at that TikTok that was going around, and everybody was coming for her because I guess she put on Falsies and said that the mascara did it. Well, I look brown though. Does this got a specific color? Oh man, I think I wasted money. Girl, it said deep brown on there. See, this is why I don't need to be going to no stores. It said deep brown. What am I gonna do with a deep brown? Who want this? I'll send it right to you in the mail. The truth is, makeup is expensive, because those items cost like $333, and as y'all seen, I didn't get that much. So yeah, that's my quick little Ulta haul, the little goods I got from Ulta today. So yeah, so that's it. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and until my next one, your girl, see you later. Bye guys. Look at me with this broken nail, girl.